This machine, the power is 220 phase, and here is the power. Here is the power, 220 single phase, 220 single phase, 220. And then this is the step motor valve and the PLC valve. And here is the total power phase. And here is the urgent stop, engine, job moving, stop and start. And then here is the heater 1 and the heater 2 on off. And here is the main touch screen. Here is the lower attachment, heiser attachment. This one is attachment. This shows the attachment, heiser attachment. This one should press on. This one should press on. And here is the air compressor, compressor air. You need to let it compress air. Here is the compressor, compress air. And the fuel. And the fuel. Here's back side, and here is the counter. Here is the counter motor. Here is the filter space, and here is space, and here is the space for the starting. This is for the normal starting. And here open. Okay, here it is. Freeze the film, make the freezer film, and here, open the freezing, open and off, open. These two sides should be even, Okay. Well, the film, we should keep in the center. The film should keep in the center, because the film center is very important. Shoulder adjustment. You can adjustment in the center of the film. Right face should two sides should be even. The film, two sides should be even. This one is very important, the film, for the center. You can adjust the location, the film location, to keep it in the center. The two balls. And here, a neutral adjustment for the move left and right. A neutral. The film is to come from here, under this wall, and this wall, and then go to the film. The film from here. Here is the sensor for the printing film. And here is a function of the punch hole, because the film, after packing, there are air inside, air in the bag, so you need a punch hole to avoid the air, that's punch hole. And then the film comes to the feeder. This one is controlled by the water. This one is controlled by the water. Here is separate. Here is feed. Here is separate. Here is feed on. And then come to here. Come to this water, under this water, and this water to here. The film. Two sides should be even. The film. After you collect the film, you should make it. You see what now is here is low 位连线. It's not collect. This one means not collect the count system. So we should in English. I show you. Here is the lower attachment. So here, while it's lower attachment, here is only working for the machine. This side. Only this side, only the machine working. see, only the machine working. Because this side was working. And then stop. Stop. Here is stop. And here is urgent stop. Urgent stop. And if you want the count system, contact working, you should click this on. Has their attachment already clicked in that. That means here is clicked in that. And what now is can working. What now is can working. But now it can work. Oh, this one you need air. With air. Click the air. After click the air, and here we are working. Here is the sensor. And you should push urgent stop. You should push urgent stop and turn on. And you should check here. Already has their attachment. And wait the temperature arrival. Wait the temperature arrival. And then press start. And here is low count. Here we are count. Here the counter we are working. What allows the counter is working? What allows the counter is working? Because the here is need air. Need air. This one is need air. Here is the switch. Here's the point almost assembly. The air is here, the stand, here the stand. Here would need to stand here. Because here is feed by hand. This one is another type of lead. Feed by hand. This one is one side. Okay, here is the click. This one is another type of has a drop by for this one for this motor. The motor supply. Here is the motor. And here is the drop forward, and the film turn. This is safety page. It's a manual page. Film turn. And here is for the safety page. Counting, count, and pushing, and this information. And here is the home page. Already saved. Number of starting the bikes and the current count, the number of the points, number of counts, 20 cc. Speed, what was set is 180. Normally the set load the scan. And the film 480. This one is akin to the pieces, how many pieces per bike. And if you have problem, you sometimes have problem, you should press restoration. source. This is the press number. After you press method ratio, this is the press urgent source. Press urgent source, and then turn on urgent source, and then start again. And then start again. Press down urgent source, and turn on, and then start again. The film should be even. Two sides should be even because this film not just in the same size. I need a bigger. So not even. It's not even. But you should control two sides even. Here is seal and cutter. Here is seal and cutter. Here is side sealing. Here is side sealing. And adjustment here. Adjustment the height. And the angle adjustment for two sides. Angle adjustment. And here is the fix in the change. If you want to change here and adjustment. Here fix. And here is adjustment. This is a paper lead for another type, for the stack lead. For another type lead. For the lead part. For the customer, only for the lead part machine. This is cotton knit. Different type of knit. So here is make like this. Short. Because this knit is always strong. This knit is always strong. Cotton knit.